everyone, welcome back again. Here I have this cinematic title animation template. Let me know in the comments if you need a tutorial on it. Now I want to place this background video on my text, and also, I want to apply some camera animation to it. Because of the camera, I have to make this layer 3D. But as soon as I make it 3D, the track matte option disappears. This CC layer is showing the track matte option because it is not a 3D layer. Luckily, fixing this problem is easy. Just go to your composition window, and down at the bottom, you will find this Cinema 4D option. In case you cannot see this option here, make sure to press the tilde key on your keyboard, and switch to the full screen. Now you can see it here. Just change the renderer to Classic 3D, and it will work fine. In case you still can't see this option here, then we have another option for it. Simply go to the composition, and choose composition settings. A new window will appear. Now go to the 3D renderer option, and choose Classic 3D. In case you want to use the Cinema 4D renderer, you should know that it will disable some of the features. It includes track mattes, blending modes, as well as layer styles, and more. I don't need Cinema 4D renderer, so I am switching back to the Classic 3D. Hit OK, and now it will work fine. Let's quickly change the track matte to alpha matte, and turn on all the layers. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace.